But indeed, I'm very happy to announce that the government of St.Maarten, as I promised, has taken all the necessary legal steps to remove the 12.5% cuts that were placed on our civil servants and other entities, government-owned companies and entities. And the national decree, while those have all been forwarded to His Excellency for signing, the one for the 12.5% on civil servants is finalized and will be published hopefully today or tomorrow. And that goes, all of them go retroactive to December 31st, 2022. However, due to the fact that the amendments to the landsnormering top incomes, which is the, what do you call that in English? Wow. The one that regulated the government-owned companies for the top management. That one was amended and it still needs to be enacted later this month. So the retraction of the 12.5% can only be done after that has been finalized. So the process will continue as soon as it has been enacted by law. We were obligated to wait the requisite amount of weeks, which will end before the end of January 28th to be exact. Thank you, Minister of Finance. So I think those were long-awaited messages for our civil servants as well as government-owned companies who have taken the hit during the tough time to ensure that we could support those third parties, those persons in the private sector. We see that the conditions are improving in our private sector, and we have lived up to all the other obligations that we have signed on to in regards to implementing this cut. So as a government, we've taken that decision and we stand by that and look forward to each and every person that was negatively impacted by it to see some relief, hopefully by the end of this month.